10 chiefdoms are beneficiaries of the vehicles donated by the FCT administration to support traditional rulers in their role of fostering peaceful coexistence and fighting insecurity. The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, and the Minister of State, Maria Mahmood, handed over the vehicles to the traditional rulers and urged them to continue to support government to create an enabling environment for citizens to live and do their businesses.
We're giving out 10 vehicles to 10 traditional rulers organized by government in order to support them to carry out their jobs in their various domains. And this is in keeping with Mr. President's agenda of renewed hope. Nigeria FCT must work and inaugurate these vehicles to the glory of God.
The chairman of the FCT Traditional Rulers Council and the owner of Abuja thanked the minister for the gesture.
Hello, sir. We appreciate the Mashallah, to guide and protect you. You have been doing it before. I have so much to have done your state. And here, you are doing more. God bring the wisdom was like to move this before. We are very grateful. Thank you very much.
The minister added that in the coming weeks, he will hold meetings with the council chairman and traditional rulers to discuss how to improve their welfare and enable them play their role in their various domains.